Starting around 24 walk 2024, Bitgert fundamentally is exchanging at $1,010.24 in term of its USD rate, with a value change of 17% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, which certainly is very critical. Brise most certainly has an all-out market cap of $94 to $31,721 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,684,971 in an especially huge manner. This truly makes Bitgert Brise really positioning at 484 in the cryptographic money market. In the event that you, for the most part, are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2024, what will Bitgert sort of be somewhat worth in 2024 in a by and large huge manner? Is Bitgert a wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Brise cost, all things considered, outperform its unequaled high, which is genuinely critical? These, for the most part, are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, which for the most part shows that explicitly is Bitgert a generally excellent venture or really worth purchasing in 2024, or so they certainly thought. Bitgert Brise value expectation 2024 as per the Bitgert conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Brise cost really is supposed to explicitly cross a sort of normal value level of $1,000.33, the normal fundamentally least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the, in every practical sense, current year ought to be $1,000.32 in a kind of large manner. Besides, Brise can in a real sense arrive at a by and large most extreme value level of $9.37, which is genuinely critical. Bitgert Brise value expectation walk 2024. The cost for Bitgert in walk 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $9.22 and $9.26, or so they sort of thought. While the typical exchanging cost ought to generally be around $10.25 in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert Brise value figure. April 2024. For April 2024, the cost of Bitgert by and large is most certainly anticipated to, in every way that really matters, arrive at an all things considered normal cost of $10.26, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $10.27 and a truly least of $10.25. Bitgert value conjecture May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Bitgert by and large is supposed to generally be at around a very least of $10.25, which generally is genuinely critical. Bitgert cost can for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $9.28 with a truly normal cost of $9.27 in USD, which explicitly is very huge. Brise value conjecture June 2024. Concerning June 2024, Bitgert basically is supposed to arrive at least value worth of $9.26. So these in a real sense are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, which especially shows that is Bitgert a fundamentally wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2024 in a by and large significant manner. The Brise cost could truly arrive at a very greatest cost of $9 with a typical cost around $9.27, which most certainly is very huge. Bitgert Brise value expectation July 2024. With respect to July 2024, Bitgert cost is figure to in every way that really matters arrive at a scarcely the least cost of $9.27, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The Brise cost could especially arrive at a truly greatest cost of $9.30 with the truly normal expected cost around $9.20, which for the most part demonstrates the way that the Brise cost could basically arrive at an especially greatest cost of $9.29 with the exceptionally normal cost around $9.27, which certainly is very critical. Bitgert value conjecture August 2024. The truly normal cost of Bitgert Brise could truly go to $9.29 toward the finish of August 2024, showing how, while the typical exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $9.25, Brise could truly be exchanging around an extremely greatest worth of $9.31 with the truly least expected cost of $9.27, which truly shows that Bitgert Brise value expectation 2024 as per the Bitgert figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Brise cost especially is supposed to, for the most part, cross a really normal value level of $10.33. The normal pretty least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the very current year ought to by and large be $10.32 in a fundamentally huge manner. Bitgert value estimate September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Bitgert in every way that really matters is supposed to explicitly be at around and especially least of dollars and balance time, by and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitgert cost can especially arrive at an exceptionally limit of dollars and $3 with the extremely normal cost of dollars and $3 showing the way that the Brise cost could really arrive at a by and large greatest cost of dollars and yen, with the by and large normal expected cost around dollars and yen using tweet, which generally demonstrates the way that the Brise cost could explicitly arrive at a very most extreme cost of dollars and its in time with the sort of typical cost around dollars and is near to 7 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitgert Brise value conjecture October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Bitgert in a real sense is by and large anticipated to generally arrive at a sort of typical cost of $1,000.31, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of $1,000.34 and a genuinely least of $1 region, exhibiting how Brise value estimate June 2024. Concerning June 2024, Bitgert explicitly is supposed to truly arrive at an especially least value worth of $10.26. So these explicitly are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, which basically shows that generally is Bitgert a very wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2024, which explicitly is very critical. Bitgert Brise value expectation November 2024. The cost for Bitgert in November 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.31 and $1.36, exhibiting how besides Brise can truly arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $1.37 in a sort of significant manner, while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to especially be around $1.31 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitgert Brise value expectation December 2024. Concerning December 2024, Bitgert cost for the most part is gauged to generally arrive at a sort of the least cost of $1.32, which sort of shows that Brise really has a sort of complete market cap of $90.94 to $31,721 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,684,971 in a quite large manner. The Brise cost could explicitly arrive at an especially greatest cost of $0.37 with the in every practical sense normal expected cost around $0.33, which by and large is very critical. Bitgert truly passed value examination in the exact beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been in every practical sense diminished by its 21% in its sort of current worth. Assuming we generally think about the really current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, which is very huge. Bitgert by and large is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins in an especially huge manner. The Brise fundamentally is down to nearly 954% in the very most recent 7 days, or so they in a real sense thought. The coin in a real